you have created the roles, go to team members option in the left hand side menu, click on add a new team member. Now you are basically adding new team members for the roles that you have already created. Enter team member name, enter their email ID. This should be a valid email ID. Decide a password for them and then select the role. Now click on save. Now the user will get an email. The user will get an email to verify their email ID, and then they can log in as your team member and access the platform. Thank you.